Hey guys, and welcome back to Schneid's 15. Today we're going to be showing you a tip here on the King Quad about how to bypass your headlight switch. This is something I did a few years ago because my headlight switch was broken, and it's a very simple procedure to do, but I didn't want to buy a headlight switch, one, because they were expensive, and two, I wanted my headlights to work right away. So what I did was I took the wires and I basically bypassed the headlight switch. When I was doing this, I realized that it's a low beam and a high beam bulb, so there's two different filaments in the bulb, so you can send power to both those at once, so you'll have low and high beam on, and this will make your headlights a lot brighter also, and it will completely bypass the switch. So all you have to do is turn your key to the headlight position and it will work. So once you come up here, you're gonna have your cover on the back here. I already took it off, but it's just two Phillips right here, some in the back here. That'll come off. Mine's all smashed up from the previous owner, so that's why it looks a little different than yours. But what we got to do now is when you turn your key to the on position, it would send wire or power up a wire here, the gray wire, up to your top, and then it would send power down your yellow or your white wire, which goes to your headlights. So right here, this goes into your headlights, so you got a ground, which it's always grounded, and you got a yellow and a white. So that goes to each headlight, and I'm not sure which one it is, but it's vice versa. Yellow's high beam and white's low beam, or vice versa, like that. So what you got to do is come up here to this yellow connector, and where the gray comes out here, and it would normally go up top, just cut this gray, and then take your yellow and your white. They would normally run up your handlebars up to the switch too. Cut them and then just splice them together. So the gray, so when you turn this key switch on right here, it's putting power through your yellow and your white. So that's livening up your low beam and your high beam at the same time, and you're gonna get some real good headlights out of it. And yeah, it's as easy as that. So if your switch is messed up or you just want to bypass it to get high and low beam, that's how you do it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you see real well at night. It's a beautiful day here in Northern Ontario. It's real sunny. Windmill was spinning. We took the old enticer out there to my right there and took it for a spin, but that's it. So stay tuned for more tech tips, and I hope this helps you out on seeing better and bypassing that headlight switch that is common to break. As always guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.